Today I'm going to show you how to start your very own YouTube channel for your puppets. Osborne Creative Studios fans, Matthew Osborne here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very own YouTube channel or TV show or whatever you want to do for your puppets. Now keep in mind, I'm just doing this demonstration in my workshop for today. I'm going to show you how you can make the coolest background, like the wall behind me is perfect for like a good background if you're using green. Now, and you want to make sure your puppet's looking at the audience at home. And then, if it's to be looking straight into the camera. Now, if it's off center just a little bit, it's not gonna have that same focus. Now, the only thing that you're gonna have to use is a monitor. Like this 19-inch television I got from my stepdad and from my stepmom and dad, which was really nice of them. I'm going to show you how. Now you probably can't see me in the shot. Now I'm going to try to get the camera to come so you can see it. It's probably going to be like out of the shot. But now I'm going to simply plug in the monitor. And I do use a monitor for like professional puppet builds only. And this used to be like a old smart screen television. Let me flip. And I am just doing this in my workshop for demonstration purposes. Here, like I can see when I'm recording, what I can see doing the camera. I am going to record. This camera on. Now, the thing that you want to make sure that you don't want to have your puppet completely low. So you don't want your forearm to show, especially your head, because it's what the because it's not going to look pretty. Now with the monitor, you got to see that the monitor, let me turn this camera off. Now with the monitor here, it reverses. The monitor here, you just gotta remember that the monitor reverses what you're doing. If the puppet goes left, the puppet actually goes right. It takes a little bit to get used to, but you just gotta flip it in your head. It's what the audience sees at home. Now I'm just going to use this little butcher puppet called Mark Beard here. Trying to clean my lens, and then I'm just going to turn this monitor off. flip it over so that you can see. I'm just going to turn this monitor off. And I'm just gonna guess at what I'm doing in the camera. And then wish me luck. It's probably gonna look completely lousy.
Wow, look at this place. It's a mess. Huh. Somebody should clean this workshop up a bit.
Okay, so I guess that was pretty bad, but I just had him like say a couple of things and look around the room. So next I'm just gonna do it with the monitor on. So that one will probably look really nice.
Wow, look at this place. This workshop is awesome. Huh. It's a little messy, but huh, it looks nice.
Okay, so looking at the camera,
Wow, look at this place. It's a mess.
you can see part of my forearm here, and Mark was not looking at the camera. He's looking off to the side. Now, with a person, you can always look directly at the camera, but with the puppet, it's best to use the monitor. Now, with this one here, I'm always looking. Now with this one here, I'm looking at the... Come on. Sorry guys, it's taking me a minute to... And then here's with the monitor on, and
it's a little messy, but
and I'm looking directly at the camera. I'm guessing those one of them look back at the footage that both of them have a comparison, which I will put that once when I'm done editing them, and hopefully I'll be able to voice over them what I did wrong in the first one. Like puppets, like people, we look directly at the camera, but with a puppet, it's best to have some sort of a monitor. Now, I will switch cameras between here and there. Now, I'll show you the best camera I use for recording these. Now this is the Canon camera. You probably can't see that in the shot. I'll try to back it up just a little bit. And the connection that I use is for like professional puppet films, like the bingo commercial I uploaded last night. And then the cord I'm using is you have an HDMI cord. I'm going to just plug it into the television monitor, and then I should see. I'm just looking at you guys. It's probably a little blurry, but the camera's and you must have the volume for this all the way down, because if you leave it on like that, it's timed out. You'll get like bourbon and feedback, which is not good. So you must have the volume completely down if you use this type of camera. Now another camera I use is, this is my beginner camera before I got the Canon camera. Now, you could use this as a monitor, but I would highly recommend just using the television monitor, because if you're ducking alone, it's tough. The screen is so small, and you're not going to get that good focus. And that's why I always use the monitor for this. Now, as before, you use the same cord. And then I should get audience right here. And it's best to use a camera tripod for recording these. And you always have to make sure that it's all the way up as high as you can, or if you can. Because it's what the audience sees at home. And if you're doing a set with this, make sure you raise everything up. Because, and that's how you can do your own puppetry show. Now, if you do something like this, hang on, I'll show you one more demonstration. Now, the best thing you can do is you can upload videos with your phone, which is easy and quick, and it can be useful as a monitor. So, these are my 3 tips that recording tips. 2 of my recording tips to use. If you do a puppet show like this for family, friends, or even a YouTube channel, be sure to tag me, and I'd love to see your first puppet YouTube video. That's it for now. See you next.